stuff is salvageable. Like if you had to have it,
I don't know why. I thought that's what you guys were doing.
well, I'm salvaging old things stuff.
Yeah.
Those that you can get down. If you take a look at all this, that piece of thing down there,
Yeah.
it's all 3x8 fur. I mean, it's worth some money, but it's not worth paying guys to get it out. But I mean, if
It's on the ceiling, so it's impossible to get it without ruining the structure.
Well, I tried selling that. So the problem was there wasn't enough time. The closest I had was a guy who had a crew of 6, and they were going to do it in a week. And he had WCB coverage, and he had $5 million in insurance, but he couldn't get his team together in time.
I don't know, considering this all needed to be done years ago. Yeah.
Is the church we're building now going to be something that's going to last centuries?
No, it'll be the same construction for 50 to 75 years.